Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to sign up for Shein affiliate program. So let's get into the video. So what are you going to do? You're going to open up your browser, so you can use any browser you wish. Alright, I'm going to use my Chrome. Okay, so in your browser here, search for Shein affiliate program. So type in Shein affiliate program and then hit on search. Okay, and then once you get here, so what you're going to do here now, select the Shein affiliate program site here. So the first result, so select that, open that up. So once you open that up, so what you're going to do now here is you're going to start the sign up process. So here what you have to do, you have to click on the sign up or login for free now option. So click on it. So once you click on this here, what are you going to do? You're going to provide your details here, so your name, country, password, all those details here, and then hit on next. So we'll do that. All right, so once you hit on all right, so once you hit next, you'll get to this page here. So here choose the promotional type, go for individual unless if you're a company, so otherwise just go individual. And then here what you have to do now is just simply fill in this form here with your account details and promotional type, and have you ever collaborated previously, and then the URL of your market, that how you're going to do it. So those informations here. So once you have complete this form, and all you have to do is hit on next and hit on agree to the policy, and that's it. Your form will be submitted and this will be reviewed, and Shein will get back to you within 24 hours. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.